This is lesson 11.2, areas of circles and sectors. Hey, make sure you have the chapter 11 formula sheet right next to you during the lesson. Hey, first of all, we're just looking at a circle here. One thing to notice is how we name a circle. We name a circle by the center. So this one here is called circle P because the center is point P. Okay, let's find the area. There's the formula. The formula is pi r squared. The one big thing about this formula is only the radius is squared. The pi is not squared. So on this one here, what do they give us? They give us the radius. So here it is. It's going to be pi 5 feet quantity squared. Now take a look. I have pi, first of all, 5 squared is 25. Feet squared is feet squared. Now, I'm going to leave it two different ways. The area of the circle, I could leave it as 25 pi feet squared. Or, if I multiply the pi out, let's go ahead and do that. 25 times pi. Here we go. Clean this out. Okay, 25 times pi. There it is. Hey, 7853. Okay, 7853 feet squared. Either one of those two answers is great. Notice the number is not squared. It's the units that are squared because it's area. Make sure we put some units on these. If they have units, then the answer needs to have units. Okay, the next one. Let's look at this shape here. This is a little different shape. Notice the green area here. We call it a sector. It is a part of the area of a whole circle. I like to call it the piece of the pie. A sector to me always looks like a piece of the pie. Now, piece of pizza if you want to. First of all, so the sector is a part of the area of the whole circle. Would you say that the sector is a fraction of the area of the whole circle? Yeah, I sure would. Okay, here we go. So it's a fraction. Let's move it up. It's a fraction of the area of the whole circle. And I got a little times right there. So think about that. The area of the sector is, that's equals, a fraction of the area of the whole circle. Okay? Now, what fraction is it? Well, it's similar to what we did with the arc lengths. It's the central angle divided by 360. The reason is 360 degrees in a whole circle, you got 360 degrees. Well, we're only using, on this one, we're only using 65 360ths of the whole circle. So here we go. Let's go ahead and do it. Central angle, there it is, 65 degrees over 360. Times the area of the whole circle. That's just pi r squared. Here it is. The radius is 8 meters, so it's going to be pi 8 meters squared. Okay, here we go. I'm going to write it like this. First of all, 65 over 360. Let's see what we got. 65 divided by 360. I like 4 decimals. 1805. Okay, 0.1805. Now, 8 squared times pi, or pi times 8 squared. Here we go. Pi times the radius squared. There it is. Pi times 8 squared. Enter. Nice. 201.06. 201.06. Okay. There we go. Let's multiply those together. 1805, 201.06. Multiply that times 0.1805. There it is, 3629. Let's go there. 3629, did I say? 3629. Now, what are our units? Remember, right here, the meters were squared, so yeah, that's what we got. It is area. It's the area of that sector. That's the area of the piece of the pie. Boom, right there. Okay, hey, we just have one more problem to look at. Okay, that's all on that page. Let's go right here. Okay, now it says find the area of the two sectors. There's a red sector, that's the small one, and the blue sector, that's the big one. That's a big piece of the pie. I'll tell you what, on this one, I'm going to find the red one first. Let's go red. Okay, here it is. Area of the red sector. Hey, it is central angle over 360 times the area of a whole circle. So here it is. Central angle, what is it? Yeah, it might be hard to see, but it's 95. 95 over 360. Area of the whole circle, pi r squared. And what do they give us right there? They give us the radius. So that's going to be pi 3 squared. Okay. I'm going to do it in two steps. First, 95 over 360. Here we go. 95 divided by 360. Nice. 2638. 0.2638. Now, in the calc, pi times 3 squared. Okay. Here we go. Pi times 3 squared. There it is in the calc. Nice. 2827. 2827. Multiply them together. Here it is. This is the red one now. Okay. Okay, multiply those two together in our calc. There we go. Multiply it by 0.2638. Looks good. Nice. There it is. 746. 746. 746 what? It is area. Yep. If it was feet, therefore the area is feet squared. Notice again, only the feet are squared, not the number. Now, I want to find the blue one. Two different ways to do it. I'm going to do it a little simpler way. I'm going to take the whole area of the circle and take away the red one. That'll give me the blue one. Do I know the area of the whole circle? Yes, I do. Look at it. Pi r squared. There it is right there. That's the area of the whole circle. So here it is. This is what I'm doing. I'm taking area of the whole circle. That's 2827. I'm going to minus the red sector. That's the area of the red one. I'm going to take it minus 746. And I'm going to get the blue one. I'm going to get the area of the blue sector. Okay. 2827 and 746. 28.27 minus 7.46. There it is. Boom, the blue one. 2081. 20.81. Again, the units, yeah, it is area. It's going to be feet squared. So what I did, I found the area of the red sector using my formula. Then, for the blue one, I took the whole circle, which I already had, and subtracted off the red one, gives me the blue one. Done with the lesson. That's a lesson 11-2. Shantz, why don't you turn back on the lights? Okay. Have a good one, Shantz.